Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews got a great product here. This is the EVA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with a self-emptying and auto-mop washing station. And this is by Roidmi. This smart robot vacuum cleaner can handle pet hair, hard floors, carpeting, and it has optical avoidance system and is compatible with Alexa and Google. This robot vacuum cleaner gives you 4-inch large high-speed spin mops, 180 RPMs maximum cleaning efficiency. The all-around base has dual tanks which separates clean and dirty water, so cleaning your mops could never be easier. The extra wide dust bag is big enough to collect dust for 60 days. Folks, you can't beat this robot vacuum cleaner with its self-cleaning base. It's amazing. So let's take a look at the unboxing and the review. Okay, on this unboxing, the box was too large to get underneath my camera, and it's so heavy, the base station, that I could barely lift it out. We can go through the unboxing that way and just look at each item. So first off we see is our robot vacuum manual. And it's a nice manual. It's got a lot of pictures to help you out there, folks, and it's very complete and detailed information. All right, and here we have the 4-inch high-efficiency mopping pad, and you can see on the back side of it has a sponge-type material, so it holds water. All right, and next we have our large-capacity dust collection bags, and now they give you 4 of those, plus one that's inside the base station. So these are great. They're so large, they'll hold up to 60 days worth of dust and debris. And the next item in the box was our 4-foot power cord. Can't forget about that. Next, we have our dust filter, which goes into the base station, and our side brush, which you use a screw to hold it in place. The last thing we have is our water filter sponge. All right, let's take a look at our robot vacuum cleaner. You can see it's plastic all the way around, white color. It's very heavy duty and nice quality. You can see they put a lot of care into this robot. Okay, opening up the top cover, and you can see we have a couple different things here on the right. First one is your cleaning brush, and just above it is your reset. And here you can see the dust box. That's what we use to collect all the dust and debris, and it's easy open by a little tab there. Also underneath the cover of it, you see the dust filter. Now taking a look at the back of the robot vacuum cleaner, you can see the LDS sensor. Looking directly below it, you can see the 2 electrical charging contacts. And moving to the center of that, we have our dust collection port. Each side of the robot vacuum cleaner, we have air vents. Looking at the front of the vacuum, we see the infrared sensing window. Looking at the top of the robot vacuum cleaner, you can see the function buttons. All right, taking a look at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, at the top, we have the universal wheel. To the right of that is your carpet detection sensor. To the left is the side brush, and there are 6 of these. They're the anti-fall sensors. We have the 2 driving wheels. In the center, we have a roller brush. And of course, the 2 4-inch high-efficiency mop pads. And on the very bottom is your directional wheel. Let's take a look at the Roidmi's base station. See all the great features in this thing. And opening up the lid on the base station, we're going to start from the right and work our way to the left. You can see the large clean water reservoir to wash your mop pads. And in front it has a quick release, easy to open up, to drain out or to pour it in. All right, pulling up the second reservoir. This is your dirty water tank reservoir. Same thing, has a quick latch on the front. Open it up so you can pour it out and drain the dirty water. And looking towards the center of the unit, you can see it's our high-capacity filter bag. You simply pull up on the clear tab, it releases it, closes the debris bag so you can throw it away and nothing pops out. Though when you reinstall it, you slide it in the slot and push down on the tab to open up the little intake of the bag. You can see on the front of the base station, just under the lid, you have the function buttons, which are really nice and convenient if you want to use those instead of the app. Below that is your color display screen, which shows you the status of the vacuum cleaner. And down below in the base station, you have your infrared sensor and also your charging ports. And tucked away up inside is your large cleaning brush for your reservoir. So that's really nice. Another nice feature on the space station, it has 2 infrared sensors on the sides, so the robot can find its base station easier. Last but not least, looking at the back of the base station, you can see the charging port. Alright, I'm going to get my base station plugged in, get the robot charged up, and I'll show you the hands-on review. Alright, since it's the first time it's running in my house, it's got to figure out where to map, where to go, where not to go, so just watch it here. You can see how it actually cleans so nice. As you can see here, it does pretty good getting around obstacles in front of it. Doesn't have a problem getting stuck. Here I have it vacuuming up an entrance carpet. It has some wood chips on it. Man, it's got enough power to pick all those up and keep going. Right here I'm going to show you how it runs its patterns for cleaning. It does a very thorough job in cleaning the floor area. I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to watch the whole thing super slow. What's really cool about this is its mopping pads. I'm going to show you how it covers the area for mopping. It does an awesome job. You set it up to where you want it to mop or you don't want it to mop and let it do its thing. And the last part I want to show you how it drives into its base station, empties its trash, cleans its mop pads. Really, really cool. What you're seeing is a really cool display of it washing and vacuuming out. This is what you see on your app that you download and use for it. So it's really cool. Gives you something to visually watch. Hey folks, that's my review on the Roidmi EVA robot vacuum cleaner and mop combo with its self-empty Auto-Mop washing station. This thing's incredibly super smart vacuum. Gets the pet hair, cleans the hard floors, carpet. It's got great obstacle avoidance, you can see that. And it's also compatible with Alexa and Google. So I hope this review was helpful in letting you make an educated decision on purchasing this product or any of the other products on my channel. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you for always watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.